Okay, sorry y'all, I haven't been able to post that much during youth camp. Just there's a lot of activities and there's not much to report on. But I do have some footage of the last activity, so I'll put that on the screen now.
The height test. So that's your first thing. Let's see if it survives any hymnal.
Great team, us.
Yeah. Hymnal number 1. It works. Hymnal number 2.
Aren't you? Okay.
Works. Hymnal number 3. Works. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7.
You need to move the band.
Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. That survives.
Yeah!
Very nice, very nice. All right, we're gonna take these off and scooch this to the side. Hymnals.
We need to bring more hymnals in later.
Royal blue.
Royal blue, we need a representative.
Royal blue. Okay, yeah, that's it. It's a bridge building competition, and I am great team, so we won. But this is the best. This is not the best thing, but this is a good thing out of the year. Do you see anything? Do you see anything now? Oh wait, no you don't, because cameras are bad. But it is leaking. You can kind of see it. The water tower is leaking. See all those little white dots appearing? Those are the droplets hitting the water. But the water tower is leaking. That happens every year and it's just so fun. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye.